Avocado toast with egg has taken the world by storm in recent years. It's the perfect breakfast or brunch dish, packed full of nutrients and energy to keep you going throughout the day. This recipe is not only delicious but also incredibly easy to make, and it's a great way to start your day off on the right foot. To make avocado toast with egg, you will need some basic ingredients that are likely already in your kitchen. You'll need a ripe avocado, bread, preferably sourdough, eggs, salt, pepper, and any additional toppings you desire. The first step in making this dish is to toast your bread. You can do this using a toaster or by placing it under a broiler for a few minutes until it's golden brown and crispy. While your bread is toasting, prepare the rest of your ingredients. Next, cut your avocado in half and remove the pit. Scoop out the flesh into a bowl and use a fork to mash it until it's smooth. Add salt and pepper to taste. Now it's time to cook your eggs. You can fry them sunny side up or over easy depending on your preference. To fry an egg, heat a non-stick pan over medium-high heat and add some oil or butter. Crack an egg into the pan and let it cook for about 2 to 3 minutes until the whites are set but the yolk is still runny. Finally, assemble your avocado toast with egg. Spread the mashed avocado onto your toasted bread and place the fried egg on top. Add any additional toppings you like such as chopped herbs, sliced tomatoes, or hot sauce. Not only does this dish taste amazing, but it also boasts numerous health benefits thanks to its key ingredients. Avocados are rich in healthy fats that can help lower cholesterol levels while also providing fiber and other essential nutrients like vitamin C, E, and K as well as potassium. Eggs are a great source of protein and also contain important vitamins and minerals like iron, vitamin D, and choline. If you're looking for a quick and easy breakfast that will keep you energized throughout the morning, avocado toast with egg is the perfect choice. It's also incredibly versatile. You can switch up the toppings or add extra ingredients like smoked salmon or bacon to make it even more delicious. Plus, it makes for a great Instagram-worthy photo. In conclusion, avocado toast with egg is an easy and delicious breakfast dish that everyone should try. It's packed with nutrients, has plenty of health benefits and is incredibly versatile. So why not give it a go? With just a few simple ingredients and some basic cooking skills, you'll be able to create an amazing dish that will start your day off